Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon FBA for international marketplaces. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen and you're looking to expand your reach and sell on international marketplaces using Amazon FBA, here's a simple guide to get you started. First, log into your Seller Central account. From the dashboard, go to the Sell Globally section. This is where you can manage your international marketplaces and start the process of expanding your sales. Next, you'll need to enable your products for international shipping. Head to the Inventory tab and select Manage Inventory. Choose the products you want to make available in international marketplaces and click on Edit. From here, enable Offer to international markets. Amazon FBA offers a service called FBA Export, which automatically handles international shipping for you. To set this up, go to the Fulfillment by Amazon settings in Seller Central and navigate to Export Settings. Click Edit and select FBA Export to enable it. This allows Amazon to use your existing FBA inventory in the US and ship it to international customers. Once FBA Export is enabled, your products become available to customers worldwide on Amazon's international sites like Amazon.co.uk, Amazon.de, and others. You don't have to worry about managing the logistics. Amazon takes care of the shipping, handling, and customs for you. To track your international orders, go to the Manage Orders section under Orders. Here, you can monitor the status of your orders and handle any issues that might arise. By using Amazon FBA for international marketplaces, you can easily expand your business globally without the hassle of managing international shipping and logistics yourself. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.